Hey guys, so just from the Delta math and from getting some emails from you guys, I saw that we were struggling with exponents, taking derivatives of things with negative exponents or fractional exponents. So I just want to go over a couple with you, try a few, and then give you guys some more practice with that. After that, we will move on. So let's take a look here. We got y equals negative 14 over x to the fourth, and it says to differentiate each function with respect to the given variable. So if we have y, we want to find y prime. But the thing that's going to help us if we have an exponent in the denominator is to rewrite this as negative 14x to the negative fourth. When you flip the location of a variable or with an exponent, it changes the exponent to the opposite sign. Now, why does this help us? Because now y prime is going to be, well, same thing. Multiply, decrease by 1. So 14 times 4, or negative 14 times negative 4, is 56. X to the, well, what is negative 4 minus 1? That's negative 5. So to the negative fifth, and then we can rewrite it with the positive exponent as 56 over x to the fifth. Okay? Now, let's look at something with a fractional exponent. Let's see. So, okay, we have a negative exponent. That's okay. We could deal with that at the end. It's already in the numerator now, so we're good. Now let's follow our rule. Let's multiply the exponent by the coefficient. So what is 2/7 times negative 3/11? Well, it's negative 6 over 77. Does that simplify? I don't think it does. So we're going to put y prime negative 6 over 77 x to the, well, now we got to do a little bit of side work, and I think this is where we're starting to struggle. Negative 3 over 11, and we have to subtract 1. Always decrease the exponent by 1. Well, I don't want to subtract 1 because I'm subtracting from a fraction. Well, I do want to subtract 1, but I want to do it in a different way. I want to do it by subtracting 11 over 11, which is subtracting 1. And I get negative 14 over 11. So I get to the negative 14 over 11. Now we want to write this with a positive exponent, so we can finally write y prime is negative 6 over 77x to the 14 over 11 power. Just going to move that x down to make it look, well, it's not good. Okay, well, it's not working. There you go. Okay, now let's see. I just want to make sure they write this in that way. Yeah, it looks good. Okay, so I'll do one more with you guys, and then I'll let you guys finish the rest. This will be your assignment for Tuesday, and then, like I said, Wednesday we'll move on. So let's just do one more here. Let's do one with a fraction. Let's do number 6. Okay, so we get y equals negative 7 over 15x to the 1/2. Okay, so y prime is going to be, well, remember, multiply and decrease the exponent by 1. Well, some side work. What's negative 7 over 15 times 1/2? That's negative 7 over 30. And then what's 1/2 minus 1? Well, I don't want to write minus 1. I want to write minus 2 over 2, which is negative 1 over 2. So you get y prime equals negative 7 over 30x to the negative 1/2, which I'm going to rewrite as negative 7 over 30x to the 1/2. And if you want, you can even write that negative 7 over 30 rad x. I don't think the answer key is going to write it that way, but that's fine. So finish the rest of these, and that'll be your work for Tuesday.